Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. I am your Basha. In this video, we are going to discuss about taking input from the user. Let me explain with example. Let me open my text editor. Let me take a variable name is equal to print this, print this, Control B. See, we get the output. But from till onwards, we do this. But what if the name variable, the input given by the user, how to do this? If you come from C or Java background, you know that in C we use scanf to read the input. In Java we import scanner and we do it to get input from the user. In Python it's very simple. We have a inbuilt function called input. Here we have a choice. We have an option to enter a prompt to make it more sense. Enter your name. If you execute in this code in Sublime, it will not work properly. So I will going to execute this in command prompt. Okay, I am going to save this. Okay, I am going to type my program name. I am already in my directory. And okay, it's going to ask enter a name, and I am going to enter my name as Basha. See the output. It's very simple. Like this, we are reading input from the user. Let me explain how the input function work in Python. When input function execute, program flow will be stopped until the user have given the input. The text or message display on the output screen to ask a user to enter the input value is optional. That is, the prompt will be printed on the screen is optional, right? Whatever you entered as input function convert it into a string. If we enter an integer value, still the input function convert it into a string. You need to explicitly convert it into an integer in your code. Let me show this. If you want to, if user want to enter a number, let me explain with it. Let me take a number. To know, we already know that to know data type of a variable, we use a function called type. And let me save this. Let me type my program name. Okay, enter your number. Wait at a 10. Wait, I got something error. I'm sorry. Sorry, I forgot to type number here. I'm sorry. Let me save this. And I'm going to enter 10. See, it's 10 is as we enter integer, it is a string. So we have to convert it. To convert, it is very simple. Type int here between braces. Now it is the integer. Let me save this. Let me execute this. Enter number, enter 10. See, it is a int now, and value 10 is printed. This is the way taking a input from the user. Okay. Now I am going to explain a program called addition of two numbers, which is a famous program. Okay. By taking input from the user. Okay, I'm going to take my variable a from the integer variable from the user. So I'm going to type int and input, and I'm going to enter a prompt, enter a value. Okay, I'm going to take b, which is an integer, and input. I'm going to take a prompt, enter b value. Right, I'm going to take a result variable which add these two numbers. Result is equal to a plus b. I'm going to print this. I'm going to add a prompt to make it more sense. Okay, result is comma or yes. It's very simple. Let me save this. Let me execute this. Let me check once all is correct. Here is input from the user. Result is a plus, but I'm going to print the result. Okay. Now I'm going to give this program 3, right? Our program name. Yes, it is program 3 only. So I'm going to type the some first value. I'm going to take first value is 4, second value is 5, the result is 9. Taking input from the user. Here we get input from the user, the a value. Here is b value, and here I am adding the a plus b, and I'm storing the result in RES variable. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.